AiRo is one of the fastest growing companies focused on digital technologies. We combine artificial intelligence, cognitive automation, and other emerging technologies to enable effortless business transformation for our customers. For cognitive automation, AiRo Digital Labs brings a highly experienced team of experts who are armed with required frameworks and toolkits to create an automation roadmap for your organization. This automation journey is unique for every organization and must be built with a deep understanding of its operational environment. Our experts map the entire business value chain to map processes on an impact versus efforts matrix. This helps get to opportunities which can yield maximum savings for the organization. This is further confirmed with ROI analysis, which projects a clear future state of people, process, and technology involved. To round off, a proof of concept is done for building confidence of the stakeholders. AiRo has developed more than 30 virtual worker solutions which have been downloaded more than 1,000 times for a saving of 60 to 90% ROI across HR, finance, procurement and other functions. Our AI solutions enable our clients to become ready for next industrial revolution.